के जीते जीत, मन के हारे हार, जो हार गए बिन लड़े उन पर है धिक्कार।
उम्र थका नहीं सकती, ठोकरे गिरा नहीं सकती, कि उम्र थका नहीं सकती, ठोकरे गिरा नहीं सकती, जब जिद हो जीतने की तो हार भी हरा नहीं सकती। नेवर गिव अप, नेवर गिव अप, नेवर गिव अप।
I'm saying that it will be very painful for us if we will stay at our story for the long time. If we will stay at our story for the long time, so it will be very painful for us. So if we haven't to give up, so you will have to not bed of a rose. Life is not a bed of rose. In our life, many problems come day by day. Every time problems come, and if you want to do something in your life, so we will have to face problem. We will have to struggle in our life. If
Round of applause for Diamond Group with his beautiful topic.
So first of all, on behalf of Diamond Group, most welcome to all of you. Myself Rishabh Yadav, and I am from the Diamond Group, and today there are 4 members in my group. First is that Mr. Raj Maurya, and second Mr. Rajesh Yadav, and third Mr. Rudra Yadav, and fourth and last Mr. Himanshu Yadav. And today we are going to talk about never give up. Today we are going to tell one of the most very interesting topic, very crucial topic, that is a never give up. So without wasting time, let's start. So never give up. Life is not bed of a rose. Life is not a bed of rose. In our life, many problems come day by day. Every time problems come, and if you want to do something in your life, so we will have to face problem. We will have to struggle in our life. If you think you can get everything easily, so it is your mistakes. If you need to do more struggle, so do that, but never give up in your life. If many problems is coming in your life, so face that, but never give up, because give up is not solution of anything. Many people give up when they fail. Many people give up when they be unable to get success. They think, I failed, I cannot do this work, I am not able to do this work, but their thinking is very negative. Every person can do many things, just we need to give chance to ourselves. If you want to do something, you will have to hard work in your life, because give up is not solution. If you want to do something, if you want to get something, and if you are unable to get, if you couldn't get what you want, so don't think you are a failure. You know who is a real failure? A person when give up in his life, so he is a real failure. Otherwise, everyone is a successful person. Until you give up, you are a successful person. But when you give up in your life, so you are a failure. If you think about a give up, so you should be ashamed. You should shame, because you break someone's heart, you break someone believe, you waste someone money, you waste someone struggle. Our parents, our guardians work hard day by day, and they earn money for our life. But what we do in the last, give up very easily. But we don't have to give up. We don't have to waste anyone hard work. We have to fulfill the goal. And if you think so, it is very simple for you. And instead of give up, if you will give one chance to yourself for doing something, so it will be better.
Yes, guys, as my captain said, right? If you give up, so you should same, because you break someone believe, you break someone heart. So that's why we should not give up. कि उम्र थका नहीं सकती, ठोकरे गिरा नहीं सकती, कि उम्र थका नहीं सकती, ठोकरे गिरा नहीं सकती, जब जिद हो जीतने की तो हार भी हरा नहीं सकती। नेवर गिव अप, नेवर गिव अप, नेवर गिव अप।
As my partner said that positive and try again and again, but he don't give up. It absolutely right. Do you know, guys, about, as my members told you, don't give up. Don't give up in your life. Just believe in yourself. When you believe in yourself, then you can achieve anything. Friends, if you really want to get success in your life, then you have patience. Yes, you have patience. for just trying again and again and don't give up. Guys, do you know who is Hardik Pandya? Okay, let me tell. He is a very good cricketer of India. As well, he is mentally very strong person in his life. Guys, when he was became captain of Mumbai Indians in April 2024, and that time when he was playing, then everywhere the people started to trolling him, abusing him, booing him, as so many on happening for failing in his captaincy and in his performances. But he was quiet. He didn't respond anything to anybody because he had believed and patience in himself. That's why he won the T20 World Cup for our country and became a champion player of India. So friends, be like Hardik Pandya and don't give up. And I just want to tell you one thing: ever tried, ever failed, no matter. Try again, fail again, fail better. The life is yours. The life is yours. Treat everyone kindly and light up the night. And at last, I just tell you one quotes from Chhawa movie. मन के जीते जीत, मन के हारे हार, जो हार गए बिन लड़े उन पर है धिक्कार.
Yes, guys, you listen absolutely right. As my sympathizer told that about don't give up. It's mean Mr. Rajesh told that about a great scientist, Albert Einstein. Sorry, Thomas Alva Edison. And Mr. Rudra Yadav told that about a great cricketer, Hardik Pandya. So the same way I want to tell about don't give up. So are you ready guys for listening? Yes. So let's start. So firstly I want to tell that if we haven't to give up, so what we will have to do? If we haven't to give up, so what we will have to do in our life? So let's start. If do you know about a success person who has a success, who got success? I want to say a word. Who person got success? That is saying that success is a not good, very high thing. It's a not a very hard work. It's a not a very difficult thing. It means is that success can get anything, anyone in his life. Success can get everyone very easily because it's a very easy thing. And if you, so here is a question: what's a hard work? What's a hard work? So just I want to say, according to successors, if you are able for bearing any problem, if you are unable for struggling, if you are able for facing with your problem for the long time, so it's a very hard work. It's a very difficult work because in this time success can get everyone. Success can get everyone. That's why, because success is a very simple thing, that's why everyone is getting. And if you talk about hard thing, so hard thing is that for the long time you have to stay at your story for the long time. In my point, in my topic, just I want to say you will have to stay, you will have to struggle in your life for the long time. So in my topic, only one thing is very most important for the long time. So just I want to give an example. Do you know guys about Shah Rukh Khan? Yes. He's a very big Bollywood actor. Yes. And what he wanted to achieve, he achieved. It means he got success. But after in the spite of, he is doing hard work. He is doing hard work. He is doing struggle just in this time. So it means is that he has idea. Success is not a very big achievement. Success is not a very big achievement. If you have to achieve a real thing, if you have to take a very big thing which will very unique for you, so you will have to struggle for the long time. You will have to face with your problem for the long time. So just I want to say a शायरी कि मंजिल को पाना तो आसान है, कि मंजिल को पाना तो आसान है, मंजिल पर ठहरना दर्दनाक है. That's why I am saying that it will be very painful for us if we will stay at our story for the long time. If we will stay at our story for the long time, so it will be very painful for us. So if you haven't to give up, so you will have to stay at your story for the long time. So don't give up, guys. Don't give up. Don't give up. Come what may in your life, but don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. That's